Hello, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, my name is V. In today's video, I am going to use some stuff from my winnings from, well, I didn't win those things. I won one product from LEANNA Dalton's channel, and then she gifted me with a lot of stuff. I've already done my base. I just put the NYX lip balm on my lips. I'm going to use the OPV Beauty eyeshadow palette. The colors are gorgeous. I am having a hard time to figure out what look I'm gonna do, but we are going to work with it and we are going to create a fabulous look. First color I'm going into is the black. I'm going to take this black and put in the outer corner. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, we can do some music from the beautiful island of Dominica. They call it the Nature Island. Now I'm gonna use this color right here. They do have names. The black one is called Exposure. This color right here, which is the next color I'm using, is called Public Eye.
But I know too late shall be the crime. But I know too late, brothers, shall be the crime. But I know too late, oh, shall be the crime. But I know too late, sisters, shall be the crime. Move forward, not backward. Move forward, oh, tribulation. Love for everyone who take their share. They say it was a tribulation. But I know too late shall be the cry. But I know too late, brother, shall be the cry. But I know too late, oh, shall be the cry. But I know too late, sisters.
The first two colors, they were matte. I'm going to use sparkle right here, which is a shimmer, to put on my lids also. This palette is gorgeous. I don't know where to start, so I'm just playing. There'll be lots of other looks with it.
Equal right and justice. Equal right and justice. Equal right and justice. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Goddess.
Laura Mercier Grapefruit Blush. I'm going to use that also today. That color is so pretty. I haven't put any lip color yet. I just line my lip. I am using the Fenty Penny for Your Thoughts, and that is the Kilowatt Foil by Fenty. This color looks pretty. I am going to take the NARS lip color and I'm going to put it in the middle. I am back, and this look, I created this look for Leanna Dalton. The name of her channel is Leanna Dalton. I won a giveaway and she gifted me with a lot of things, and I wanted to do a video using the things for the first time, and here it is. First things first, mostly everything that I have on my face is from the gifts that she gave me. The orange is in the inner corner going all over my eye, and then the black is in the outer corner, and then that shimmer, I put it over it and blend them together. This is the look. This is the look. I am loving. I am wearing the earrings that she handmade for me, the necklace that she handmade for me, the scarf that she sent. I tie my head with it. I will be doing more looks with it, but I just wanted to do something sassy and sexy and gorgeous and beautiful. And this is voila. Ibel, mo aimé, y sorti bien. That means it's nice, it's beautiful, I love it, and it came out well. My mom was French. She was from Guadeloupe in the Caribbean, and then navigated to Dominica, and from there she spoke patois. Instead of French, she no longer spoke French, she spoke patois. So that is what I just said in her language. Beautiful. Again, today's word is cherish. Cherish the people you have in your life. Cherish the little moments that you spend with the people that you have in your life. Please cherish the people in your life. The people you have not called in a while, call them and say hello. Cherish yourself, and that is the word for today. Cherish. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And Leanna Dalton, I love. Please everyone, after you watch this video, go say hello to Leanna Dalton. Let her know Simply You Makeup sent you. And I, Simply You Makeup, we are gonna leave with some music. I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye.